This is your reading for Monday, April 7, 2025. Am I going back to old patterns? Is a question you are asking yourself today. No, you're not. Lots of things have been thrown towards you, but you have stood your ground and you have stood firm. Yes, those emotions have threatened to get a stranglehold on you and they have tried to pull you back into old behaviors, but you have fought it. You've grown as a person. You've taken the leap of faith even when you were not sure how things were. It has taken a bit of isolation and introspection, but you're not going back to the old patterns. You've moved ahead. Now, over here, there is someone over here who had turned their back to you. They were not in a mood to come ahead and talk to you, and perhaps this person felt very overwhelmed because of a certain way that you were behaving, and they thought that turning away was the best solution at that point in time because this person could not take it anymore. It has been a while. There is some kind of a distance over here. It could be an emotional distance, it could be a physical distance or a geographical distance. It can be any kind of a distance. So while you took the leap of faith and you started a new beginning for yourself, this person is now coming back with strength. They now feel strong enough to come and talk to you and discuss about something that was there between the two of you. They are feeling lighter, they are feeling free. They probably had a lot of things going on in their own life, and which is why also they took this step back and isolated themselves. There were certain things that they could not see clearly actually. It was like a wall in front of them. But this isolation and the break that this person took has given this person the clarity, and they are now ready to turn their face towards you and talk to you about it. You could expect the results of something that you were working on very soon. You could also expect a conversation, and it could be surprising to you, and you could not be. Maybe you are not sure how this is going to turn out to be, and in some respects, you don't even know that this conversation is actually coming to you because you are busy doing your own things. But it's like a fresh offer or a fresh start or a fresh beginning, the desire for a fresh approach to certain things between the two of you, that is coming to you. Your advice over here is to stay stable and grounded. You created this new beginning for yourself, and you created it largely on your own. Even though there were things that were pulling on you, you stood your ground. You felt unprepared and you still did it on your own. So now you have reached a certain level. You are not the same person anymore. So keep that balance. Keep your integrity. Keep your authenticity. Keep the boundaries that you have drawn for yourself. But this conversation or this offer that is coming to you is now going to come to you in a different context. This person and you, both of you have gained a better perspective of issues. Both of you now understand better on how to handle your emotions. There is a high chance that earlier whenever you spoke, and for some of you this could be a romantic angle, that earlier whenever you spoke, your feelings threatened to overwhelm the whole situation, the friendship in the situation, or the connection in the situation, as in you couldn't really talk in your authentic self or create healthy boundaries for yourself because your feelings threaten to overwhelm everything. But both of you in this distance, in this time apart, have gained a new perspective. You've gained a new wisdom because there was nothing else to do actually. Destiny, fate, the universe tied your hands, and it did not allow the conversation to happen between the two of you. But now is the time to get clarity. Now is the time to make a clean break from any past behaviors over here. Now is the time to gain a victory in this situation, in this connection, in this conversation, in this new offer that is coming to you. Stand your ground and you will be victorious. The other person is also now coming with a sense of, is coming with a sense of emotional stability and calm. Their emotions are running pretty high, but now they know how to come from a place of balance. And now you know how to come from a place of balance. Trust your intuition. You may feel jumbled up or hasty, but remain open and curious to the conversation. Don't shut it off. And keep listening to the voice of your intuition. Things may not be clear, but this is something you've been waiting for a long time while you have been working on your own things in life. And now both of you have the tools to turn things around and create the balance that was required in this situation. It is very likely that both of you were in this kind of an energy that why should I make the first move? Why should I make the first move? That kind of a situation. But now there is a softening on both the sides because you've taken the time in the distance to work on yourself, work on your own abundance. And now both of you are coming to the situation with a sense of completion in your own places. Initially, it was both of you looking for something in each other, and which is why it was so disappointing. Now you're coming as two whole people in your own right. So take the leap of faith. Have this conversation. There is a new beginning coming, and if there is an offer, the suggestion is to take the offer.